Hi friends, in my last video I have already shown how to create simple web page and how to install Sublime text and change syntax for HTML. In this video I will cover how to use p tag, hr tag and br tag and heading tags. Let's start. Just click on start. Type Sublime text, then click on it. Now change syntax to HTML. Click on view, syntax and HTML. So let's start coding. HTML. This is title. I give Infotalk. Then file, save as, desktop. Give name for the file, demo. I give demo. Okay. Let's open demo. You can see there this is a title. Minimize it. Now how to use p tag. P tag is for paragraph tag. It have attributes align. We can align left, right. Start from p tag. We write code in body of HTML. P tag. Type this is p tag. File, save, minimize it and refresh page. This, let's see. This is p tag. Now we have one attribute for p tag, like align. So I give attribute align right. By default it is in left. Now file, save and open browser and click on refresh. You can see the p tag is moving to right of the page. The next hr tag. hr tag is used for horizontal line between two text. Let's see. We have, just open. We have, I will remove alignments, so I don't need. I have same another, just copy, paste. This is p1 tag, this is p2 tag. Now file, save and refresh this page. So you can see this is p1 tag and p2 tag. If you want a line between these two, then use hr. So file, save and refresh the page. You can see one horizontal line is there. Now we have attributes for hr tag, size and width. Now click on size. Size, you give size in pixels, so I give 10 pix. Now file, save and refresh. See, this is the size of line. If you change it like 40, again file, save, refresh. See, the size of the horizontal line is increased. another attribute is width. Now you can assign width for HR tag. This is also in pixels. File, save, then open browser and refresh. See, the size is changed. If you want more, then you can change. Open Sublime Text and increase the size. So you want 770 per pixels, then file, save, or you can use shortcut Ctrl S. So open browser and refresh the page. See, size of the HR tag is increased. If you want to increase more size, then give some more, like I gave 270. Again I used Ctrl and S for shortcut to save. Again click refresh. See, size is increased. Okay, then next move into BR tag. BR tag is used to line break. For an example, I have one P tag. In this I write something data. So I want a break, or I want to move cursor from this line to another. So I use, like, I want display data in this format. Okay, see, I want display data in this format. So on that time, if I store, file, save, and I refresh this page, then that time the data will be shown in one single page. So I want in the same format, so I use BR tag, and here also BR tag. Okay, then Ctrl S for save and refresh this page. You can see BR tag is used to move cursor from one line to another. Now next is heading tag. We have 6 heading tags, H1 to H6 heading tags. Let's see. H1 tag, this is H1. So again Ctrl S and refresh browser. You can see this is H1 tag. Again H2 tag, we have, see, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 and H5, H6. Let's see H5 tag. This is H5 tag. Again H6 tag. This is H5 tag. We have H1, H2, H3, H4 up to H6 tag. For the purpose of heading, you can save by click shortcut Ctrl and S and refresh the page. See, this is H1 tag, H2 tag, and smallest font size is H6 tag. Sorry, I typed H6. Store to save, Ctrl S and refresh. See. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.